Road trips are one of the greatest joys in life. You have the open road, the freedom, the sea rolling by, and there is nothing quite like it. But here's what nobody talks about. After you get to the age of 60, you experience the road trip very differently than you did at the age of 30. And if you don't plan for that, what should be the adventure of a lifetime can turn into 4 hours of back pain, stiff joints, swollen ankles, and complete exhaustion before you people reach to your destination. So today, let's fix that for good. I want to be very clear about something that you need to hear before we dive in. This video is not about slowing you down. It's not about telling you to be careful or stay home or take it easy. But if you are tired of flying, then road trips are a great alternative. And this is what this channel is all about. The alternative. You just have to be prepared. That's it. And this is about making sure that your road trip is longer, more comfortable, and more enjoyable for you. Seniors who travel small don't travel less. They travel more. They go further. They feel better when they arrive. And they come back wanting to do it all over again to create memories. So whether you're doing a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, these tips are going to change how you experience every single mile that you travel. Let's get into it. The number one mistake that senior road trippers make is sitting too long without a break. Here's what happens to your body when you do that. And after about 90 minutes of continuous sitting, blood circulation in your legs slows significantly. Your hip flexors start to tighten. The muscles supporting your lower back start to feel fatigued, and your risk of developing a blood clot, something called deep vein thrombosis, begins to rise, especially if you had any circulation problems before that trip. Here's the fix, and this is beautifully simple. Every 90 minutes, stop the car, get out, walk for just 5 minutes. Remember, you are not in a rush. At least you shouldn't be. You're on an adventure. And you're not stopping because you're tired, not because you need gas, because your body needs to reset its circulation and decompress your spine. Set a timer on your phone before you pull out of the driveway for your trip. Name the alarm something fun, such as stretch o'clock. Whatever makes you smile. But butter it every single time. It will help you. Those 5-minute stops are the difference between arriving refreshed and arriving wrecked. You don't want to do that. Your car seat was not designed with a senior body in mind. So we fix that before we drive there. Your road trip, the comfort kit that should include 3 things. First, a lumbar support cushion. This goes behind your lower back and it maintains the natural curve of your spine. Without it, your lower back flattens against the seat and fatigue is going to set in within the first hour of driving. You can find a good one for under $30, and it's genuinely life-saving and life-changing on long rides. Second, compression songs. These are non-negotiable for anyone over 60 per road trip. They keep blood circulating in your lower legs, and they prevent that uncomfortable ankle swelling that feels stiff and significantly reduce your deep vein thrombosis risk. Put them on before you get in the car, not after your legs are already tired. Third, a small neck pillow for passenger naps. Rest is part of the journey as well. There is no shame in stopping at a rest stop to sleep. Here is where seniors often make a real intentional mistake. You avoid drinking water on road trips because you don't want to take an extra bathroom break. Totally understandable. I get it. But this is probably one of the most dangerous things that we do. Dehydration in seniors accelerates faster than in younger adults. It causes fatigue, brain fog, headaches, muscle cramps, and in serious situations, dizziness behind the knees. And you don't want that. The strategy you want to use is this. Sip water consistently. Sip it, don't gulp it. Keep a 16-ounce water bottle in the cup holder and aim to finish it every 2 hours. Refill at your 90-minute stretch stops. Avoid loading up on coffee or soda as your primary road trip drink. Caffeine is a diuretic. It actually pulls water out of your body faster. And here's the fun thing, sir. Your hydration stocks become your adventure stocks. Gas stations, roadside diners, working local shops. Some of the best road trips, those memories happen at unexpected pit stops. Fast food drive-thrus are tempting when you're on the road. But heavy salty processed meals will make you feel sluggish, bloated, and tired. Exactly what you don't want when you're trying to enjoy the journey, right? I know I'm right about that. Pack a small cooler instead. And you're going to fill it with protein-rich snacks that give you sustained energy. So you want to put things in it like boiled eggs, string cheese, nuts, apple slices with almond butter, hummus with veggies. These keep your blood sugar stable, which keeps your energy and your mood stable as well. No mid-afternoon energy crashes. No grumpy driving, okay? And if you do stop at a restaurant, make it a real sit-down meal at a local diner rather than a drive-thru. You get to stretch your legs as well and enjoy the meal, and you get to experience a local spot and enjoy conversations with strangers in the restaurant as in the diner and eat something that actually fuels you. Win-win-win all the way through. Now for the fun part, because a great road trip isn't just about the destination. It's about hours in between. For your mind and your mood, audiobooks are the single best road trip companion ever invented. So you're going to pick a genre that you love, the mystery, history, memoir, comedy, and let it carry you through the lines. Audible, Libby, through your local library, and Spotify all have enormous libraries. Many of them are free, so make sure you check them out. Podcasts are equally wonderful. There are incredible shows on travel, history, health, true crime, and just about anything else that you enjoy. If you're traveling with a companion, bring a road trip trivia game or a list of conversation questions. There are also books specifically designed for road trips. They spark the best conversations. Excuse me, and you learn things about your travel partners that you probably didn't even know after decades of friendship. Music playlists from your favorite hero also do something special. They keep you alert, keep you mentally alert, of course, happy, and connected to the joy of being alive on the open road. Plan your driving hours wisely. This one is particularly important. Night driving becomes significantly more challenging after the age of 60. Reduced contrast and sensitivity, increased glare from the oncoming traffic, those shiny headlights that hit you in the eye, and slower reaction times in low light for all normal age-related changes. And ignoring them is not brave, it's risky. So plan your driving hours between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. whenever possible. If you have a long distance to cover, make sure you break it into 2 days rather than pushing through all one day and going into the darkness. Book your overnight stop in advance as well so that you are not making tired decisions at 9 p.m. while you're on the road. A well-rested driver the next morning covers more ground safely and enjoyably than an exhausted traveler who has pushed too hard the night before. Rest is not weakness. Rest is strength. The road will still be there when you get there tomorrow, and you will enjoy it so much more when you're on fresh and more alert. Road trips don't have an age limit. Some of the most incredible journeys happen in the second half of your life because you finally have the time to do so. And you have the wisdom and you have the freedom to truly enjoy those road trips. The seniors who travel the most are not the ones who ignore their bodies. They are the ones who know their bodies most, who work with them and show up for every adventure, feeling their best. So pack that lumbar lumbar support cushion, set your stretch timer, fill that water bottle, wear that compression socks, and just go. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel for more travel and wellness tips designed specifically for the senior adventurer, because your best road trips are still ahead of you. And on top of that, grab my new ebook line titled The Senior's Guide to Stress-Free Travel Below 35,000 Feet. Now that I hear thing, this is a great companion to alternative travel if you're tired of flying. Grab it from the link in the description. You'll be glad that you did, and you'll thank me later. Drop a comment below and tell me, where is your next road trip going to be? I'd love to hear it. Thank you so much for watching. Safe travel, and I will see you in the next video.